Hi, welcome to Omcan Test Kitchen. Today we're going to present our flat top griddle. So step one of making sure our gas griddle is connected is checking the gas valves. So after checking the gas is connected, make sure the pilots are on and turn on the grill. After turning it on, waiting about 5 to 10 minutes, we make sure that it's hot enough where the water beads. Once we make sure that the water beaded, now it's time to season the griddle. A light amount of oil and a lint-free cloth for a quick wipe down. The different varieties of food that we can make on these griddles varies from breakfast items, lunch items, and dinner items, eggs, pancakes, quesadillas, burgers, and much, much more. First steps in cleaning a griddle is to scrape off any excess oils, any excess residues with the grill scraper. If you are using the grill brick as your cleaning option, you must oil it first. Make sure your griddle is hot and start scraping away. Make sure to double check your reservoir. A whole day's work can fill this up. Now here at Omcan we have different varieties of griddles. We have a 15-inch, a 24-inch that we use today, a 36-inch, and a 48-inch thermostatic control or a manual control. For more information and inquiries, please reach us out at omcan.com or 905-828-0234.